Stray violence marks the final phase of polling in West Bengal election 2021 on Thursday. One person was killed and two others injured as a car hit them in Murshidabad district hours before the polling began. The CPIM blamed the TMC candidate who rubbished it. In the city's Beliaghata area, clashes broke out between two groups of people, following which the police resorted to mild lathi charge. In Jorashanko constituency of central Kolkata, crude bombs were hurled outside Mahajati Sadan. The BJP candidate alleged it was thrown at her vehicle. Crude bombs were hurled in front of the Mahajati Sadan in central Kolkata today morning while elections were underway. The incident happened on Central Avenue in the heart of the city, triggering panic in the entire area. BJP's Jorashanko candidate Meena Devi Purohit alleged that the crude bombs were hurled at her vehicle. Evidence has been collected and an investigation has been started into this, said the police. 36 assembly constituencies are voting in the 8th and final phase of Bengal elections. 11 assembly constituencies each are in Murshidabad and Birbhum district, 6 in Malda and 7 in Kolkata vote today. Exit polls projection will be out today evening. Till 3:30 p.m. on Thursday, 68.46% turnout has been recorded. Birbhum reported approximately 73.88%, Kolkata North 51.64%, Malda 70.80% and Murshidabad 70.91%. On Thursday, during the 8th and final phase, Congress MP and party's state chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary casted his vote for the 8th and final phase at Murshidabad polling booth. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar and his wife Sudesh Dhankar casted their votes at polling booth in Chourangi, Kolkata. The Trinamool Congress, on the other, wrote to the Election Commission of India regarding inadequacies in its direction for counting of votes on 2nd of May. Says no provision has been made for submission of negative RT-PCR test by polling officers and CAPF personnel. Bureau Report, Halabol.